Diggy?
Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link. Welcome back to another cartoon drawing tutorial. And today, we are going down to Puffin Rock. That's right, we had a request to do Marvin from Puffin Rock, and that is what we're going to do. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our 3Ps out, our paper, our pen, and our pencil. Hope you have an eraser as well. Where's my eraser? There it is. And let us get started. You're going to take that paper. You're going to turn it portrait or up and down. And we're going to use our pencils first. All right. So let's see if we can do this. We're going to start off real easy, real simple and easy with an oval. All right. Once you have your egg, we're going to go down, 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 right down below, and we're going to draw another, you guessed it, another oval. So we've got two ovals. All right, we're going to connect these ovals with curved lines. Here's how we're going to do it. We're going to go up from the top oval, and we're going to go straight down to the bottom oval. Now, when we draw the second curved line, we're not going to go to the edge of the oval. We're going to go a little bit inside it and just draw it down to the other oval, just like that. What we're going to do next is the secret that we do here. You all know it. Come on, let's say it together. The magic T. That's right. We're going to do a magic T, and we're going to go up and do that in the head. And it's actually going to be a slightly curved line, and our T part is going to go that way. So it looks like the magic T is not centered. It's a little bit towards this side of the head. All right. Once you have your magic T, we're going to use that line of the magic T right here, and we're going to do an upside down triangle. Like that. All right, so let's go right below that triangle. We're going to make his mouth, and it's just going to be a curved line going up. It's like a little smile line. And we're going to do another one on this side. So what we're going to do now that we've got these two curved lines, we're going to connect them from the bump parts of the mouth, and we're just going to make a square or a rectangle. All right, inside that rectangle, we're going to do a little curvy line for his tongue. All right, let's look above his nose. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a rainbow line going above his nose, just like that. All right. And then once we have that, we're going to make a curved line, and it's going to go all the way down to the bottom of his head. So let's do this together. Ready? A big curved line goes all the way down. And the reason why we're doing this part first, we're going to do another one over here. Ready? We're going to do a curved line at the end of this rainbow line, and we're just going to make a curved line, and it goes to the side of his cheek. All right. Now we have room for his eyes, which are just two big upside down U's. So let's make a big U right there. And you can see it goes from cheek to cheek. We're going to do another big U right there. All right. Let's do the top of his head. It looks like we've got room. 3 triangles pointing that direction. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. That's it. We're going to do his ear real quick. I know you guys all want to finish the eyeballs, but we're going to do his ear first. So here we go. We're going to do a nice big letter C. And then inside, we're going to make another letter C with a line connecting it. And we're going to erase that bit right there. Looking good, everybody. All right, let's finish his eyes. I know everyone's finished his eyes. So we're going to do a curved line, and it's going to go from the bottom to the side like that. Yep. And then we're going to make inside a smaller one like that. We're going to do the same thing with the other eye. Curved line from the side to the side like that. and then another, just like that. Yep, just like that. And then I'm going to put a little dot in each eyeball here, and I'm going to fill it in. Probably should look to make sure this is what he's supposed to look like, but I think he looks cool that way. Now we can drop down over here. We're going to make a little circle just like that. Over here, just floating over here by his body. We're going to do another one over here. 2 little circles just like that. We are going to connect the top of these circles with a line to his body. And we're going to do that on each side. This one's going to go into his body. This one will not go into his body. Now that we have that, we're going to make another line that's going to connect to his body. But this one, we're going to make sure it goes further apart. So it gets thicker on this side. So we can do that on this one too. See how they get further apart. The 2 lines, they start getting further apart. So we want to make sure we do that. All right, let's get his paws. They're just circles inside the circles, little ovals, and then 2 lines. Yep, 2 lines in each paw, just like that. All right, down here, we're going to do a letter D, a giant letter D, just like that. And out of the D, we're going to do a U. And right out of this big oval, we're going to draw a line. This is going to be his tail. So we're going to just draw a line. It's just kind of swooping out. So your tail can be anywhere you want it because tails move around. And then from there, we're going to go to where the D is, and we're going to just connect the 2. All right, we're almost done. Right here on his foot, we're going to do 2 curvy lines like that. All right, right next to this foot, we're going to do a giant oval or U shape. And you guessed it, 2 more curvy lines just like that. All right, this is kind of strange, but right next to his belly and onto his foot, we're going to do a curvy line just like that. All right, I think we are pretty much done. We're going to do his belly line. All it is we're going to go from this one down to the D with a curved line like that. And now we are going to do some erasing, and we are done. What? That was quick. Let's take a look at what we need to erase. We're going to erase this line here like that. We're going to erase. We're going to erase everything in his belly. All right, let's erase his leg line here. We're going to erase this line here. We're going to erase this line here. All right, let's look at his hands. We're going to erase this part of his hands here, but I'm looking at it. It looks like he's got like some fur coloration. So we could do that. We're going to do a curvy line a little bit further down on his arm instead. We're going to erase this part here. We're going to, now, you can erase this magic T. A lot of people tell me it's hard to erase the magic T when I'm doing the pencils because it's so much. So what you could do is ink their drawing in, but don't ink in the magic T, right? All right. Now we're going to erase these triangles above his head, his hair, right there. There you go. It's Marvin. He does have a little bit of color right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to erase this line, and we're going to put a curvy line instead, because it's got. And then we're going to do that over here on this other foot. There we go. Oh my goodness, we're going to also erase this line here. There we go. Now he's done for sure. There he is, Marvin from Puffin Rock. Don't forget, everybody, check out. I am over here on OUTSCHOOL. I am doing drawing. I have classes. Check the link below because right now I have a promo code going on. You'll check it out. It says it's like promo code Doobie or something like that. We've got plenty of cool merch. This one is kind of falling apart right now, but we've got a new, we got someone new that's making our merch. Check out the merch link if you want to see some of the cool merch. Comment below what you want to draw next. Also, we want to see your finished Marvins. That's right. We have a Facebook page. That's right. We have a Facebook page. Send in your finished Marvins. We'll put it up on Facebook. We will put it up here on YouTube. We will show it off, and rightly so, yours will look better than mine. You guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, the more you draw, the better you get. And I'll see you at the next one. What? You want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.